Naomi Home presents the Chicago Deluxe Theater-Style Motion Love Seat Assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. This motion love seat comes as shown with included LED lighting, speakers, cup holders, and so much more. To get started, connect the left backrest to the left chair base. Attach onto the chair base. Next, slide the left corner side piece onto the backrest. Now we are going to connect the speaker console into our cup holder center base. Do so by connecting both red cables with both black cables and gently sliding the speaker console into the center base. Next, connect the right backrest to the right chair base. Attach onto the chair base. Slide the right corner side pieces onto the backrest. Now, connect the left and right corner chair bases onto the center base. To connect the right base, rock back the left base with the center base and align them to the right base. Finally, we are going to connect all the cables. Start by connecting both of the plug cables onto the back outlets of the center base. Please note that each base has a cord. Make sure they are within reach before proceeding. Obtain your Y cable. Connect the middle part of your Y cable onto the center base's cord. Now, connect the left and right side of your Y cable to the left and right base cords. The two arms contain a storage compartment where you will find the attachable tray that connects onto your chair base. And there you have it, your Chicago Deluxe Theater-Style Motion Love Seat is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.